Hi guys, in this video I'm going to explain you about Cot formula, how to prove Cot formula and what is the idea of the Cot formula. So before that I will draw a triangle. This Cot formula is related with triangles, so I will first draw a triangle. Uh, so I will draw a triangle like this way. Okay, then I will make these points as A, and this one I will just consider C, and this one as B. Okay, and also I will draw a line from C to AB, just a line from C to AB, and this point I will mark it as D. This D. Now I want to verify what is this Cot formula. Before that, I will take the ratios of this AD to DB as M to N. AD to DB. This length ratio, I will take it as M to N. Obviously, this length ratio means in another way you can say those are the lengths of this AD to DB. You can consider those two as the ratio of the lengths. Also, you can consider those two as the exact length of the AD and DB as well. So I will just put here this side M and this side N. Okay, that means AD to DB ratio. Also, you can consider it as M and N. The length also you can just consider this thing also as N. This length also you can just consider as N. Right. And this angle I will take it as theta. This angle as theta, and this angle I will take it as alpha, and this angle I will consider as beta. This angle I will consider as beta. Okay, guys. Now, if this is theta, you can understand what is this angle. Since it is a straight line, you can just consider this thing as pi minus theta. That means 180 minus theta. I just write it as pi minus theta. Okay. Those are the things we can get by this diagram. Okay. So, right. And I will name this angle as angle A. This is angle A, and this angle as angle B. Okay, now I have completed my diagram. This is angle A and this is angle B. Now, this Cot formula, it has two forms. That means we can define this Cot formula as two ways. The first way, I will write the first way. Just write the first form. Here I will just draw the first form. Okay. There is a problem with my mouse. Right. That is this M plus N cot theta. Yeah, I will first write it and then I'll explain. M plus N cot theta. M plus N cot theta. M plus N cot theta. M plus N cot theta, that is equals to M plus N cot theta equals m plus n cot theta, that is equal m cot alpha, m cot alpha, alpha means this angle, alpha minus n cot beta, n cot beta, n cot beta. Again, if we recall this one, how do we identify what is this pattern? M plus n cot theta, m plus n, that means the sum of the ratios, m plus n cot theta. Cot theta means this angle, the angle which is given here, the angle which is given, that is the theta. Okay, m plus n cot theta, m, the sum of the ratios into the angle, and the given angle is the theta, that is equal, then the opposite to this angle. What is the opposite to this angle? Angle is this side in this triangle. Okay, angle is this side. The opposite side is this one. Okay, opposite to this side, the angle is what? Alpha. Okay, again, m plus n cot theta, m plus n cot theta, that is equals m cot alpha. This m is in the other side. This m is the other side. Okay, if we consider about this pattern, m plus n cot theta equals m cot alpha, because this m is in the other side, m cot alpha minus the angle which is in the same place, same location, n cot beta. M plus n cot theta equals m cot alpha minus n cot beta. That is the first form. We'll see the second form. Second form, that is again the m plus n cot theta. Okay, again m plus n cot theta, but this side, okay, m plus n cot theta, angle is at the other side, but you have to start from the same location. Same location means the angle is here. Again, you have to start with this n. N cot, what's that? Angle A. N cot A minus m cot B. I write, and again I will tell the thing. M plus n, m plus n, m plus n. What is that? M plus n cot theta, m plus n cot theta equals, what's that? We have to start with the same place, that is n. N cot what? N cot, you have to go to the other side. N cot this angle, that means the angle A. N cot A, n cot A minus, now come to this one, m cot B, m cot B, m cot B. This is not beta, this is B, okay? This is B. Early it is beta, this is B now. N cot A minus m cot B. Okay, those are the two forms of the cot formula. I will mark this thing as the formula X, and this thing I will mark as the formula Y. Right, I think you have understood about the two forms of the cot formula. Now we are going to prove this cot formula by using a specific method called sine rule. By using the sine rule, I'm going to prove this one. Okay, by using the sine rule, I'm going to prove this one. Now, what do you mean by the sine rule? Sine rule means that in a triangle, the ratio between the side and the ratio between one side and the opposite angle sine of the opposite angle. The ratio between one side and the sine of the opposite angle, that is a constant. Okay, if I give the equation, you can understand that one. Okay, to get idea of to get the valid result from the sine rule, you have to always come with the common side. If you have two triangles, you have to start with the common side. Then only you can have a valid result from the sine rule. So if you consider about these two triangles, ACD triangle and the CDB triangle, ACD triangle and the CDB triangle, you can see the CD side is a common side. So I can use sine rule for that one. So what I'm going to do, apply sine rule. Apply sine rule. Right? Sine rule. Because there is a common side here. So I told that ratio between side and the opposite angle sine, right? Sine means SIN, sine, that means this one, sine. So I will put the sine rule for this ACD triangle. So if I put it, the side is CD, CD divide by what you can say about this one, CD divide by what is the opposite side? Opposite angle, it is A. So you have to divide by sine A. Sine A. CD divide by sine A. This ratio is a constant. That means any side divided by the sine of the angle is a constant. Now take another side. We'll take this AD. AD means it is what? M. M divided by sine alpha. What is the opposite angle? It is alpha, isn't it? First CD divided by sine A. CD is the side. This is the opposite angle, and you have to take the sine of that one. And M is this one, this side, divided by what is the angle alpha. So divide by sine alpha. Okay, that is one thing you can get. I will mark this thing as the equation number 1. Equation number 1. Same thing you can apply to this triangle as well. So CD is a common side. So you can say CD divided by, now what is the opposite angle? This one, B. So sine B. CD divided by sine B. CD divided by sine B equal, take this one, N divided by sine beta. N divided by sine beta. N divided by sine beta. Don't misunderstand about B and the beta. B is this and beta is this one. Okay, now we will take this one as the equation number 2. Now you can see this here also CD is available and here also CD is available. So you can have a relationship between 1 and 2. How do you get this 1 and 2? Because you know that CD, what is that CD? CD is, I will directly take the relationship because of the lacking of the space. CD divided by sine A equals M divided by sine alpha. CD divided by sine B equals N divided by sine B. So what is CD? CD equals M sine alpha, M sine A divided by sine, isn't it? CD equals M sine A divided by sine alpha. What is here CD? CD equals N sine B divided by sine B. So I will directly write that equation. So since those are equal to CD, so you can say M sine A, M times of sine A divide by sine alpha. Divide by sine alpha, that is equals to N cross multiply with the sine B, N sine B, N sine B, N sine B divided by sine beta, divided by sine beta. Okay, M sine A divided by sine alpha equals N sine B divided by sine beta. I will take this thing as the equation number 3. Okay, equation number 3, right? Okay, so after getting this result, since I'm lacking of the space, I will remove this part. I will just erase these things. Okay, these parts I will erase. Okay, but you have to remember the equation that we have got as equation number 3. Right. After reach into that stage, okay, we have got an equation m sine A, m sine A, m sine A divided by sine alpha equals, what is that? N sine B sine B divided by sine beta. We'll put a cross multiplication. So m sine A sine B, beta, isn't it? Beta. M sine A sine beta equals to n sine B times of sine alpha. Remember, this is B, okay, B. This is the equation number 3. Okay, this is the equation number 3. M sine A sine beta equals n sine B sine alpha. Right. Now, if we consider about this, the first form. Now, first of all, I'm going to prove this, the first form. If we consider this first form, here alpha and beta is available. Alpha, where is alpha? M sine A sine beta, m sine B sine alpha. Alpha and beta is available where? Here, but here no A and B. So according to this equation, instead of A and B, we have to take in the form of alpha and beta. Here we have to omit this A and B, and we'll get it by using alpha and beta, so that you can have this triangle. If you consider about this triangle, what is this? What are the equations you can take? Since the total angle of a triangle equals to 180 degrees, A plus alpha plus phi minus theta equals what? Pi. You can take like that way. And also beta plus B plus theta also pi. By using those two equations, you can have the relationship for what's that? Alpha and beta. So I will first write beta plus B plus theta equals y. Okay, and also you can say here A plus alpha plus alpha plus y minus theta equals to pi. Since this pi and pi getting cancelled, these things are getting cancelled. This is equation number, we'll say 4. And A plus alpha, since minus theta goes to the other side, plus theta. A plus alpha equals theta. Now this is equation number 5. After getting these two equations, okay, we can prove by substituting these two equations, 4 and 5. Okay, after getting those two equations, 4 and 5, we can substitute those two equations in equation number 3, and by simplifying, we can reach to the what we called our result. Okay, guys, I will again write the equation number 3. It is m sine A sine beta equals n sine B sine alpha. But in our first Cot formula, there is no A and B, so you want to substitute for A and B. So there I have got those results from the triangular sum. So there I have taken as A plus alpha as theta, A plus alpha as theta, and also I have got B, you can say B plus beta plus theta is 5. So B equals what? 5 minus B equals 5 minus B equals 5 minus beta plus theta. So we can substitute these two in the equation number 3. This is the equation number 3. So we'll substitute the things and check what is happening. Then instead of A, you can substitute M sine. A means it is theta minus alpha, isn't it? Theta minus alpha. Theta minus alpha into sine beta. Sine beta. Because N sine B means sine. B means you can say this one. 5 minus beta plus theta. Beta plus theta into sine alpha. Right. Now we'll simplify this one further, but you can, the sine theta minus alpha, this formula, that it is like sine A minus B formula. So we'll write that one as well. M times of sine beta we'll put, we'll first put the bracket here and write sine alpha minus sine theta minus alpha means sine theta cos alpha minus cos theta sine alpha. Sine theta cos alpha minus cos theta sine alpha, cos theta sine alpha times this sine beta. Beta equals, and here n sine 5 minus beta plus theta means it is just it is in the, if you consider about this quadrant, this is the first quadrant and this is the second quadrant. Sine 5 minus beta plus theta means it is an obtuse angle, and you know in the second quadrant always sine is positive, and sine 5 minus beta plus theta means it is just beta plus theta. Then n sine 5 minus beta plus theta means it is sine beta plus theta. Beta plus theta into sine alpha. We'll multiply all those things. Here then we'll multiply by sine beta with m sine alpha. What is this sine theta? M sine theta cos alpha, and sine beta also there, sine beta, minus m cos theta sine alpha sine beta. Here also we'll simplify as the same way, beta plus theta equation. N sine, we'll put here sine beta plus theta means sine beta cos theta plus cos beta sine theta. Sine beta cos theta plus cos beta sine theta into sine alpha. Right, then it is getting multiplied by the sine alpha as well. So what I am doing, I will just remove these things and multiply this sine alpha here. and here sine alpha, you can put sine alpha, and here also it will be coming like sine alpha with n. Here also n. I'll remove this bracket as well. Then here also n. Right. Okay. Then what you can see? You can see now we have to get something called cot. Okay. To get cot, it is cos divided by sine. Okay. You can see sine theta, cos alpha, sine beta. This is all the same things are available. So now what I'm going to do, I will divide all those equations by sine theta. I will divide total equation by sine theta into sine alpha into sine beta. What will happen if we divide all the things? This one we have to divide by this one also we have to divide by this, and this one also we have to divide by this, and this one also we have to divide by this. Separately, all those things we have to divide by this part. Okay, we have to divide all those things by sine theta, sine alpha, sine beta. We'll divide. So m will be remaining then. Okay, m will be remaining. M, what will happen? Sine theta is getting cancelled. Cos alpha divided by sine alpha is cot alpha. Sine beta divided by sine beta is getting cancelled. Minus, here also m is remaining. M cos theta and sine theta is cot theta, isn't it? Cos theta divided by sine theta is cot theta. M cot theta. What will happen? Sine alpha getting cancelled. Sine beta is getting cancelled. Here n is remaining. N sine beta is getting cancelled. Cos theta is not there. So cos theta divided by sine theta is cot theta. And also sine alpha is getting cancelled, cot theta. Plus n is remaining. Cos beta divided by sine beta is cot beta. What will happen? Sine theta is getting cancelled. Sine alpha is getting cancelled. Now what? This is the equation what we have got. So we can nicely arrange this equation. Now this n is common here. So n, if we take it to the n cot theta plus n cot beta, here cot theta is there. So what I will do, I will take this cot theta part to this side. So then n cot theta minus m cot theta, isn't it? And also here n cot beta is there. Here m cot alpha is there. So I will take this one to this side. Yeah, I will take this one, this cot m cot alpha, m cot theta. So cot theta part I will take to this side. This side I will take, and n cot beta I will take to this side. So m cot alpha minus n cot beta minus n cot beta because now this m cot theta is going to the other side, n cot theta also here. Now since cot theta is common, so you can say m plus n cot theta. That's what we have asked in the equation number 1. What is the equation number 1? We have to prove m plus n cot theta. That means this side m plus n cot theta equals m cot alpha minus n cot beta. Okay. what you have to do after this thing, you have to interchange this one. So m plus n cot theta equals m cot alpha minus n cot beta. That is the proof of the first form of the cosine rule. Okay, we'll see how do we prove the second format. The same thing you want to apply for the second format as well. Okay, there, what you want to do, you want to now in the second format means the equation number y. In that equation number y, I will first write this equation number y, m plus n cot theta, m plus n cot theta, m plus n cot theta equals n cot a, n cot a, n cot a minus m cot b, m cot b. Now there is no alpha and beta here. Only a and b is available. So very simple thing you want to do. Now there is no alpha and beta here. You want to substitute for the equation number 3. What is the equation number 3? First we'll write the equation number 3, and after that we will substitute the value for a and b. So we will substitute the value for alpha and beta, then we can get the answer. So equation number 3 is m sine a, m sine a, m sine a, sine beta equals n sine b, sine alpha. This is the equation number 3. From this equation number 3, how do we derive this this equation? So you can see clearly there is no alpha and beta. So here alpha and beta we have to substitute from a and b. So how do we substitute the things? Okay, so we'll keep m sine a here, m sine a. Earlier we have substituted for a, but now we are going to substitute for sine beta. Beta means what? Beta means from the equation, from the by considering the angles of the triangle, that is pi minus theta plus b, theta plus b, theta plus b, and also n sine b we want to keep, and we want to substitute for sine alpha. Sine, what is alpha means? Alpha means it is theta minus a, theta minus a, theta minus a. Now, as the same way what we have done earlier, we have to use the equations. M sine a, okay. What is this sine 5 minus theta plus b? It is just sine theta plus b. Sine theta plus b. Pi minus theta plus b means sine pi minus theta plus b means it is sine theta plus b. And here n sine b sine theta minus a. Now what we have to do, we have to substitute for these two equations. M sine a, sine theta cos beta. So sine theta cos b plus cos theta sine b equals n sine b sine theta minus a means sine theta cos a minus sin theta cos theta sin A. And then m sin A sin theta, we'll write the things m sin A sin theta cos B plus m sin A cos theta sin B equals n sin B n sin B n sin B is sin theta cos A minus n sin B n sin B cos theta sin A. And we'll divide by the same way. Now here sin A sin theta cos B. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to divide by sin A sin theta sin A sin theta sin B. My handwriting is not good because I'm writing by the mouse. It is very difficult, right? But we can see, you can identify these things. So m is remaining, m sin A is getting cancelled, sin B also, no, sin theta also getting cancelled, but cos B divided by sin B is cot B, m cot B, plus m is remaining, sin A getting cancelled, cos theta sin theta is cot theta, and sin B is getting cancelled, cot theta, equals n is remaining, n sin B divided by sin B is getting cancelled, sin theta also getting cancelled, cos A divided by sin A is cot A, and cot A A minus n is remaining, Zn is remaining, sin B is getting cancelled, cos theta divided by sin theta is cot theta, sin A also getting cancelled. Now m is there, cot theta will take this part, m cot theta is here, and we'll take n cot theta also here. So cot theta is common, m plus n cot theta, m plus n cot theta equals, now n cot A is remaining here, n cot A minus m cot B, m cot B. Okay, that is the thing we want to prove here. See, m plus n cot theta equals n cot A minus m cot B. That is the second form of the cot rule. Second form of the cot rule. Okay, like that way we can prove these things. So I think you understood the things. Thank you very much. If you feel any difficulty, please comment me in the YouTube video. Thank you very much.